Hi, I'm Mateo with WTI, and it's 5 o'clock somewhere, especially with these amazing Moscow Mule cups by Benicci. They are so versatile and look great with any drink I make, any cocktail, mocktail, or just any cold drink looks very elegant and stylish in these cups. They are great to use while having people over for drinks or a meal, or even for just having a cold drink while chilling in the hammock during a hot day. The solid 100% copper construction keeps drinks ice cold, making every sip super refreshing. They feel very sturdy and well made. They really feel like they will last me a very long time. The handcrafted design gives them a very cool, unique, and stylish look. I think this is a great addition to any kitchen or cocktail set. I personally think this would make a great gift for a loved one, family, or friends. And that is my point of view.